These delicious spring rolls will always attract attention at any dinner table, and I'm going to show you how to make them. You'll need boneless chicken cut into very small pieces, soy sauce. I used a light reduced salt version, but you can go for a darker one if you prefer. Crushed garlic, salt and corn flour. We need to marinate the chicken with these ingredients, so to the chicken add the soy sauce, crushed garlic, salt, mix it well and then add the corn flour. Leave to marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, the longer the better. Moving on to the filling, I've kept it very simple by using finely sliced spring onions, white cabbage and grated carrots, but you can add bok choy, bean sprouts, red cabbage for some colour, or peas. You'll also need some more soy sauce, oil, ground black pepper, crushed red chillies and salt. On a high heat, add the oil to the wok and fry the chicken until it's light golden in colour. Then add the white cabbage and fry for about 3 minutes. Note that I'm adding the most dense of the vegetables first. Then you add the dried spices but not the soy sauce and fry for about 3 minutes. Then add the spring onions and fry for another 3 minutes. Finally, add the carrots and fry everything for about 5 minutes. Add the soy sauce and fry for 2 to 3 minutes before turning the heat off. Remember to cook all of this on a high heat because we don't want to overcook the vegetables, and we also don't want them to start releasing lots of liquid. Now let's make the batter for the rolls. You'll need plain flour, baking powder, fine semolina and milk. Mix all of the dried ingredients together, then gradually whisk in the milk until it forms a smooth batter. On a low heat, add a small amount of oil to a frying pan. Once it's heated, add some batter so it forms a very thin pancake. After about 20 to 30 seconds, turn the pancake. When the bottom side is more or less cooked, put it on the plate with the bottom side up because that will form the inside of the rolls. To help assemble the rolls, you'll need to make a glue-like paste which is made up of plain flour and water. Next, place a pancake roll on a chopping board with the cooked side up and put some filling in. Apply the glue-like paste to the outer edge of the top part of the pancake and then fold the sides in and tightly roll. Once all the rolls are made like this, we need to shallow fry them. Place each roll into some hot oil and keep turning them until all the sides are a light golden colour. During the frying process, you can put the lid on to steam them for a couple of minutes. Now they're ready to serve. I had mine with some noodles and some chilli sauce. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I've been asked this recipe countless times, so I hope that you do give it a try.